In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails from Hostinger Webmail. Whether you're looking to back up important messages or migrate your correspondence to a different email client, this process is straightforward and essential for maintaining the integrity of your digital communication. To get started, you'll need to log into your Hostinger Webmail account or the email client you're currently using. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. These would typically be the email address and password associated with your account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Understanding where to find your inbox, outbox, and various folders will make the whole process smoother. After successfully logging in, navigate to the emails or folders you wish to export. This might involve selecting specific messages or entire folders depending on what you need to back up. You might want to export your most important emails or perhaps back up everything if you're preparing for a significant transition. Make sure that you've selected everything you want to include in this export. The next step is to use the export or save as function. This option might be located under a drop-down menu, usually in the form of a settings or options gear icon, or perhaps as a button directly visible on the main toolbar. When you find this option, go ahead and click on it. The system will often prompt you to choose a format for your exported emails. Common formats include .eml or .mbox, each suited for different purposes and email clients. Be sure to choose the format that aligns with your needs, or if you're unsure, you can do a quick check online to see what format your intended destination supports. Once the export is in progress, you might see a download prompt or find the file saved automatically to a designated folder on your device. It's crucial to keep these backup files secure to prevent unauthorized access and to ensure you don't lose this important data. Consider transferring the files to a secure external hard drive, a cloud storage service, or a password-protected file storage system. This added step will give you peace of mind, knowing that your important emails are not only backed up but also safely stored away from potential threats. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully exported your emails from Hostinger Webmail, ensuring that you have access to your important communications whenever you may need them. Remember, regularly backing up your emails can save you a lot of hassle down the line, especially in today's digital world. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy emailing!